Hello mga kawamat. So in this video, we will answer the following questions about discrete and continuous random variables. So ito ay para ma-practice, ma-review kayo about discrete and continuous random variables. So para din ma-assess nyo yung sarili nyo kung talagang naintindihan nyo or natuto kayo about this concept. So 15 item questions to, multiple choice. Sa bawat tanong, merong 10 seconds. So, pwede nyong i-check yung sagot nyo. So, let's start. So, which of the following is not a discrete variable? Letter A, number of white marbles in the box. B, number of students present, present in the classroom. The weight of a box of soft drinks labeled 8 ounce. The number of arrivals customers in the restaurants between 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. 10 seconds. Okay, so the answer is letter C. Okay, so next, question number two. Which of the following is an example of discrete variable? Letter A, distance traveled between tricycles. B, height of the students in a certain class. C, number of red marbles in the basket. D, weight of students. Go. Okay, so the answer is letter C. Bakit letter C? So pag sinabi nating discrete variable or discrete random variable, ibig sabihin countable. So yung choices natin sa A, B, and D, yan ay halimbawa ng continuous random variable. Next, question number 3. A variable that can be discrete or continuous is called A, random sample, B, random notation, C, random variable, D, random elimination. Okay, so the answer is letter C. That is random variable. Next, number 4. Which of the following is a variable whose value is obtained by measuring A, continuous, B, discrete, C, interval, D, nominal? Go. So the answer is since measuring, so may measurement, no? May measured natin yon. So ano ba mga na may measure natin? Like for example, the distance, time, weight, height, and that is under what? Continuous random variable. So letter A ang sagot. Number 5. A variable where the information or data can take infinitely many values is A. Quantitative variable, B. Discrete variable, C. Qualitative variable, D. Continuous variable. So yung clue nyo dyan, yung infinitely many values. So ano ba yon? Okay, so the correct answer is letter D, dog, continuous variable. So since ano siya, data can take infinitely many values. So letter D. Number 6. This term can best describe a variable that can be counted. So parang paulit-ulit lang, no? Letter A, continuous, B, discrete, C, interval, D, nominal. Okay, so the answer is letter B, boy. Kasi nandiyan naman yung word na variable that can be counted or so alam natin ang discrete ay countable. So letter B. Number 7. A set of numerical values assigned to a sample space is called random experiment, B, random sample, C, random variable, D, none of the above. Go. Okay, since numerical values assigned to a sample space. So this is letter C, random variable. Next, number 8. A variable's value could be a finite and countable number. Is A, continuous, B, discrete, C, interval, D, nominal. So, finite or countable. So, what is that? Okay, so the answer is letter B, boy, discrete. So, countable. Pag sinabing discrete, countable. Number 9. Which of the following statement describe a continuous random variable? A. The average distance traveled by a jeep in a week. B. The number of students present in a class auditorium. C. The number of motorcycle owned by a randomly selected household. D. The number of girls taller than 5 feet in a random sample of 10 girls. So alam naman natin kapag continuous at makikita natin sa choices na yung tatlo ay pare-pareho. So what is the answer? Okay, so the correct answer is letter A. So makikita natin sa letter B, C, and D natin may mga word na the number. So yan yung isa sa mga clue nyo kapag discrete random variable, no? Yung may salitang number or the number. So the answer is letter A. Next, number 10. Which of the following is discrete random variable? A. Jerwin is 165 centimeter tall. B. Jerwin has three sisters. C. Jerwin weighs 68 kilograms. D. Jerwin ran 500 meters in 2 minutes. Go. Okay, so the correct answer since that is discrete, dapat countable. So yung height, hindi, di ba? Yung weight, hindi rin. Yung distance, no? Or yung time. Ibig sabihin, A, C, and D ay halimbawa ng continuous. Ang pwede lang countable dyan is yung letter B. So the answer is letter B. Next, number 11. Which of the following variable is discrete random variable? So alin dyan ang discrete random variable? A. The amount of unleaded gasoline in a Suzuki car. B. The temperature of a cup of coffee served at a restaurant. C. The number of boys in a randomly selected three-child family. D. The average amount spent on water bill every month on December by a randomly selected household in Quezon Province. Go. Okay, so the answer is letter C kasi yun lang yung may dyan lang yung may choices, yan lang yung may choices na may number. Yung A, the amount, continuous yan. Temperature, continuous din. The average amount, water bill, continuous din. So, the answer is letter C. Next, number 12. Which of the following is not a discrete random variable? Letter A, number of refrigerators sell each day. B, height of dragon fruit as measured each day. C, number of students late in going to school each day. D, number of people went to the doctor from Monday to Friday. So, alin dyan ang hindi discrete? Okay, so makikita natin na halos yung tatlo ay pare-pareho. So, yung B lang ang kakaiba. So, that is an example of continuous. So, yung B lang ang hindi discrete random variable dyan. Question number 13. You decided to conduct a survey of families with 5 children. You are interested in counting the number of girls out of 5 children in each family. Is this random variable? A. Maybe. B. Cannot be determined. C. Yes, it is random variable. D. No, it is not random variable. Go. Okay, so the correct answer is letter C. Bakit letter C? So, makikita naman natin counting the number of girls. So, that is an example of random variable. Discrete yun, di ba? So, since yan ay pwede, so yes, it is random variable. So, letter C ang sagot. Number 14. Which of the following statement does not describe a continuous random variable? A. Height of students in a certain class. B. The average weight of chicken each day. C. The number of towns belong to Quezon province. D. The distance traveled by a delivery van in each hour. So, alin dyan ang hindi continuous? At yun ay letter C. Okay. Okay. So, letter C ang sagot. Okay, sila lang naman ang naiiba at yun, 'di ba, the number is discrete. O, last question. Which of the following is not a continuous random variable? A, the height of the airplane's flight. B, the amount of liquid on containers. C, the number of COVID-19 cases each day. D, the length of time for the checkup in the hospital. Go. Okay, so the correct answer is letter C. Okay, so yan lang naman, no? Siya lang ang hindi dyan continuous. Kasi yung height, amount, and length, that is an example of continuous random variable. So, kung na-perfect mo or pwede mo i-share kung ilang score ang nakuha mo dito sa 15-item quiz natin about discrete and continuous random variable. So, abangan nyo yung iba nating exercises sa mga susunod na topic pero para ready na kayo kapag nag-periodic test, no? May reviewer na kayo at the same time.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button para updated kayo for more video tutorial. This is your guide in learning your math lesson, your Wow Math channel.